Now welcome back once again. In this video I'll be showing how to take your trouser measurements. Alright? So first you take your waist measurements below the customer's waist. Alright, please hold it. Alright. If he's putting on belts, please just measure before the belt, just inside, find a way to measure it, okay? Because if you to measure on top of the belt, you have a bigger measurement. Ask the client to spread his leg, okay? Come closer. Yeah. Spread it. Now, this is another way to get your client's hip measurement. I have 42. Alright, or what I also do is, the waist, once I get the waist, I add it plus 8. You get the waist and add plus 8, it will give you the client's hip. Alright, then you take the thigh measurement and ask him how he or she wants it to be, okay? Either free or he wants it fitted on him, okay? Or he wants a baggy trouser. All right, then the same to the knee. You take the knee measurements at the knee cap, at the circumference of the knee cap. Take the knee measurements. All right, how he wants it to be, either fitted or he wants it big. The ankle. There are some clothes, there are some that wear their trousers or with nylon, whatever the case may be. All right, so now what you do, you pass your tape around the back foot up to this point, okay? Now if the person wants fitted, use the exact measurement you have there. All right, if the person wants fitted, use the exact measurement you will see once you pass it around the foot point. And also some measure from this point here. You measure from this point also, right? But if you measure from here, note that the trouser will be tight on you while passing it through. This is mainly for the Gen Zs, okay? But for adults, you pass it through and they want it freer on them, okay? And also the trouser length from this point. If you want it hanging, it should be at the ankle, at this bone here, ankle bone. It will be hanging. If you want it down, it will get to the feet. All right.
If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. This is Renee Clothing.